Hey Sergey, I just want to show you this. The engine light is on and it's like I have no power in the car right now. Like the engine is running, but I can't seem to, like if I give it gas, it's just not really going. And its idle is a little bit higher than it should. Here, I'm gonna start going. See, I can't. See, I'm trying to give it gas right now and I'm just barely moving. Lucky that we're actually moving right now. But anyways, I don't know, this is weird. So the engine light came back on again. I don't know what the hell is going on here. So I'm going to Britannica right now until 8:20. So hopefully things will, I don't know, start up again at 8:20. Anyways, I just thought I'd let you know this engine light is on again. Okay, I'm trying to go and I'm giving it gas right now and I can't seem to get power in the car. I mean, I'm barely moving. I don't know, it's weird. Okay, here, check this out. See, I'm gonna try give it gas. I'm giving it gas right now, but barely moving. I don't know what's going on. And the engine light is still on. This is weird. Sergey, why is the car smoking?
I don't know. She wanted to quit. But she never made it. I mean, Steve.
Yeah, Steve. So, no, really, what's going on?
So we're diagnosing the block heater.
Okay.
And it is diesel.
So you can get a nice high while you're warming up the car.
I am already. But we should put the hose in the inside.
Yeah, hot box.